Good day, teachers. I'm here to explain about the two application, the quiz and the word wall, that can be used in our everyday classes. So in this section, let me explain about the quiz. Quiz is an online application which enables users to create customized quiz based on our requirements. The quiz can be created from the scratch with all new questions. Or we can also customize other pre-made quiz banks which can be edited to our requirements. We as teachers can utilize this application to revise the lesson after a class or conduct a test in a playway method where children find it more interesting to involve in a game than just a test. The results of the test can also be recorded for the evaluation purpose. Now let's see how to use this quiz application. If you're using a laptop or a computer, you can open a browser. You can just type quiz, or if you're using a mobile phone, you can download the app. So you can see the screen. You have to log in with your Gmail ID. This is the main home screen. Towards your left, you can see the option create. You can create your own quiz, or you can go to search and type a topic. I'm going to type time. When you search, these are the pre-existing quiz for the topic time. I can select any one from here. After selecting, you have an option called edit. Here you can edit these questions. While editing, it creates a duplicate copy for us. Now this is my personal quiz now, where I can edit. I have 10 questions. I can edit. For example, if I don't need this answer or question, I can change the question according to my subject. Press save. If you feel you don't want any question, you can delete the question. Or there is an option called new question. You can add a question. So you have a lot of choices, multiple checkbox, fill in the blank. Like Google form, here also there are a lot of choices. You can press multiple choice. Here you can type your question. So you have to give the answer, options, and then click on the right answer. 5 plus 8 is 13. And then you have to click save. And this question will be added in my personal quiz. So now once all the questions after editing everything is over, you can even change the name of your quiz. Time for class 5. I can edit the name of my quiz. Save. So once the settings everything is over, you can go to done. You'll be getting two options: start a live quiz or assign as homework. So let me show you with start a live quiz. Press start a live quiz. Here you can give it as a classic or you can give it as a test. Now let me give as a test. So all these settings can be changed as per our need. A timer option is there, shuffle questions, shuffle answers. And then press continue. Here you will have the game code. Press share via. This code could be copied. Once you copy the link, you can go to your Meet classroom. In the chat box, you can paste the link. So you can, when the students open the link, it will take them to the quiz page, and the students will start, and they can be wait for us to start. So you have to go to our home page and you have to press start. So once you start, the children will start the quiz. So this is how the quiz page will be for the students. The time, the question with 4 answers. The time is, which is a red hand. So as they are doing the quiz, in our page we can see the progress, like how many children are attending, how far they attended. You can see the marks, points. So all that we can view it. Once the quiz is over, you can press end from your side. When all the children complete the quiz, you can press end, and all their marks will be, the points, the time, everything will be recorded. So you can see only one person so far I attended the test, so it shows like this. Now you can go to your home screen. Towards your left you can see the reports. Now this is a summary of the test, what test I have conducted. Class 5 I have conducted the time. When you click that, you can see the detail of each and every student, their marks, their time. So all this can be recorded, and these marks can be used for our evaluation also. Another application called Word Wall. Even this can be used to revise the answers with the children. So this could be opened in a browser. This is not an app. You're using your mobile phone or your laptop. Open a browser, type wordwall.net. So you have to log in. This is the home screen. You can see there, see example resources or create. So you can either use the resources which is already existing, or you can create your own game. So I'm just going to select see example resources. The pre-made games are there already. Let me choose the parts of the body. So once you click this, you will have a screen showing parts of the body. Down you have an option called edit content. Like you did for quiz, you can do the edit option here. You can add something as per your content, or you can remove something. So once after making all changes, you can press done. Now you can press the share icon. You have to give like assignment to the children. You can give set assignment. So you have to enter names. You have to highlight the option. Then start. You'll be getting a link. Copy that link. You can go to the Google Meet chat box and you can paste the link. So when the children during the class you can do, or you can give it like an assignment also. When the children open the link, it will be like this. They have to type in their name, start, press start. We use this to walk, kick and jump. So the children will enjoy doing it with the picture. When the answers are right, they'll really feel excited. They can learn. They're seeing the words, they're seeing the pictures also. So it will be registered in their mind. This can be used by all the subject teachers. Even Tamil is there, computer, maths, science, English. Umpty number of topics are there. You can choose any one according to your need. So once it is over, you can see the correct answers. As a teacher's point of view, when you go to your screen, under My Results, you can see the summary of this game. So one student has attended, average time taken, the top score, all that could be seen. If you come down, scroll it down, you can see one person has attended, submitted, the score. So these scores can be recorded for our evaluation purpose also. So these two applications can be used in everyday classes to make our class more interesting. Thank you, teachers.